Hello? So I had an idea. You know how many people are not gamers? So why not make a tutorial on how to become a gamer according to WikiHow? So step 1 is decide what to play games on according to WikiHow. You can have a PC, a laptop, a console, PlayStation, Xbox, and you can have a smartphone too. This might take some time. You're not really rich, your parents are not rich and they can't buy you stuff, or you don't have a job and you can't really earn money that much. So that is the first step. And then after you get that, the second step according to WikiHow, and I agree to this, is finding games. Finding games is easy. You can, in PC especially, you can go download this Steam. There's plenty of stuff here. I have a lot of games too, but I don't really play them. There's also this thing called Epic Games. Epic Games, they give you free games every week, especially during Christmas or like holidays. Other than that, in console, I'm pretty sure you can buy the actual CD, or go to the shop in PS. I don't know how it works. The next step, third step, play casual game. And for this, I guess Minecraft works as a casual game. You can play that whenever you want. The fourth step, games that require reflexive precision. And according to this, you can play classic Super Mario. You can then play like rhythm games. In this, they said Dance Dance Revolution, or you can play Step Mania again, and shmup or shoot 'em up game, the Ikagura Radiant Silvergun. Yeah, I kind of agree with this. The next step, according to this, is explore Sandbox Games. Sandbox Games, yes, I agree. Like Minecraft, like I said. Then one that's hard, which Dwarf Fortress. I haven't played it personally, but I just take the word from WikiHow that is hardcore. The next step, according to WikiHow, again, is play for thrills. And according to this one, it's mostly open world games like Prince of Persia, Assassin's Creed, Legend of Zelda. Well, yeah, that's true. If you want adrenaline rush, horror games will work like Silent Hill, Resident Evil, and you can get used to the feeling of playing games. The next step, the seventh step by now, is play an immersive role-playing game. So like MMOs, RPGs. This one is said play Dragon Age, Mass Effect, and Final Fantasy. All of them great games. And then the last is to play competitive multiplayer games. Now there's plenty of them, like FPS games like CS:GO, Call of Duty, Valorant, Battlefield. There's a lot of games like that. Then bye.